Guys, this is Neetu signing in as the happy tour. Now, there's this common error that I've heard many people, kind of use it, which is using the word did not with another past tense. For example, people say that I did not played well or I did not slept well. Now, this is incorrect because did itself is a past tense. Okay, with the word did, whenever it appears in a sentence, we do not use the verb next to it in past tense. We use it in its base form. So we would say, I did not play well. I will not say, I did not played well. Okay, or I would say, I did not sleep well, rather than saying, I did not slept well. So what I'm trying is how I remember this rule is that don't use double past tense. The word do is present tense, and when you're saying did, it becomes past tense. So after did, whenever you use a verb, use it in its base form. So I did not sleep well. I did not thank that person enough. I did not eat as much as I wanted to eat, right? So with the word did, whenever it appears in a sentence, please do not use another past tense after it. Simply say the base form of the verb, which is sleep, eat, whatever the verb is, right? So please don't make this common error. It's a very common error made by many people. And on this note, this is Neetu signing off as the happy tour. Take care, keep learning. Bye bye.